Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is Dalton My World. That's right. And today we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Okay. And here it is. Okay. Yep. Some earphones for you. All right. These are pretty cool. They're Bluetooth. You can answer your phone with them, okay? And I was advised by a associate of mine to get some, okay? Because they told me that they work really good. If you're in the bass, they have really good bass. You could use them for meditation, okay? You use them to, and they block out the sound really well for the price. You can use them, and they really work great on audiobooks. If you listen to audiobooks and podcasts, you know, just to take you away from everything. All right. And let's do a quick unboxing on that. Open this sucker up and see what we got. Very nice. Okay. As always, got the instructions. Okay. Charger cable. Extra backup earplugs. Okay, just in case the ones you got get lost. And it has a charging case. Check this out. Very nice. I like the black smoothness. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Now let's take out the plugs. Sorry about the shaking. Very nice, huh? Very cool. See the back? Close look at that. If you look at the back, you see the ear punch there. And then, of course, the plugs. And it's really cool because it just plugs right into your ear. Oops. You push it up, okay, and it's good to go. And it's snug too. Now, the price of these, and you know, I got them at my favorite store, Family Dollar, is only $15. And they have 20-hour run time on them. So with a good full charge, you get 20 hours of earplay on that. Okay, it's worth it. Now, what's really valuable about this is this. I don't wish this on anybody, but you know that if, like my other wireless earplugs I had, I made a mistake and I stepped on them and it was over. Okay, so what's cool about this is these are $15. Okay, you can get them at your most of your Family Dollar stores. And if I stepped on them, if I lost them, I'm not gonna be crying in my beer. Now, if I got some headphones, some AirPods or EarPods, whatever you wanna call them, for $150, like from Apple, and I lost it, I'll be crying in my beer. Or if I made a mistake and stepped on it, I'll be very upset. Okay, but I'm still gonna treat these with respect, but for $15, if they got lost or stepped on or eaten by a dog, you know, your pet, you know, you're not gonna be crying in your beer. You're gonna get yourself another set. And that's something to think about. All right. So that is my quick unboxing of my truly wireless earbuds. Okay. And I really like it. I really like the charging case, as you see right here. And I'm not sure, but once it's charged and used, I'm thinking that this is the little neon blue light that's gonna flash, just gonna glow. I'll let y'all know on the review. But yeah, up to 20 hours playtime. You can answer all your phone calls with it. It automatically pairs to your Apple or Android phone, okay? No matter what, if it's a newer or older one. This is a great accessory, especially if you're the type of person who got a government phone. $15 accessory, these right here with that, so you can hear everything clear. Awesome, good accessory, okay? And yeah, and the charging case provides up to 4 times charge, okay? So it charges, charges 4 times faster than the regular charging case. And as I said, my favorite store, Family Dollar. All right. Thanks for rapping to me, y'all. Thanks for being here. Okay. Hey, it's Mercury retrograde, forgive me. Thanks for being here. I ask you to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it for other people who you think that may need some inexpensive but good quality tech earbuds. Okay, because I'm telling you, you get something like these, it changes everything. Especially when you're watching YouTube and all that stuff, then you could just be in your own world and just really zoom into it. It works. All right, I'll wrap to y'all later. Peace.